Hi crafties! Today we're going to be creating a graduation cap topper. I'm using red plique, which is plastic like cardstock that weighs 121 pounds. I love it not only because it's sturdy, but because it's also the most vibrant red cardstock I've ever used. For this project, I am using Beacon 3-in-1 glue. Beacon glue is a silicone-based cold glue that doesn't cause warping and leaves your projects with both a strong bond and structural stability, while also still having flexibility. You'll notice I apply the glue more toward the center and not too close to the edges, so that when applied against my cardstock, it doesn't gush around the edges. I also love that with Beacon glue, you're able to adjust the positioning after placing to get that just right placement. Once my base is put together, I'm going to start adding my decorative elements. Normally, I love adding a lot of dimension with 3D foamies, but because this is laying flat on top of a cap, I want to minimize the dimension, so I'm only going to be using 2 mm foamies when placing my elements. Make it cute and make sure to go ahead and fill up any empty spaces so it looks nice and full. Lastly, I'm going to add double-sided tape to the back of the cap topper so that way when the receiver gets the item, they can peel off the tape backing and apply directly onto their cap. Happy crafting, friends!